Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on a door panel on an '03 Lincoln Town & Country, and I just wanted to go over how to get these things off because there's no videos of it. So up here you would have your regular door handle, which two caps just pop off. I took mine off by finger. Phillips head. Right here is going to be a T30, and then the mystery screws, what I call them. If you look right here in the carpet, it's like hidden, and let me see if I can do this with one hand. So like the screwdriver literally goes in there, and then you just feel around for the Phillips head. Took me forever to find those. And then you just pull it out. You have, let's see, 2 pins right there, one in the center and 2 more on the outside. I'm cameraing this right. It's hard to do this one-handed. And then all your you have to like pull really hard. Like it feels like you're gonna break it, but I just wanted to give a little tip on that because there's 3 of these screws. So there's one over here, one it's towards the front, and then you have one all the way in the front, and you really cannot see it with the carpet. They're pretty much hidden, but just a little tip to get these off. You don't have to take that little lid thing off. I thought you did. Thing was driving me crazy, but yeah. So 2 screws up here, T30, 3 screws on the bottom, and then just pull out on that thing like you're trying to snap it, and then you'll have a couple plugs. This right here for your window switch just pops out. You would do that before you pull the panel off. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you're wondering why I didn't show a video on how to take this off, it's because I've been very busy and I really wasn't thinking about doing it, but I feel like people need to know about these 3 mystery screws on the bottom. Thanks guys, and as always, keep wrenching.